Hello students, welcome to me to maths classes. Your question is, if y is equals to x raised to power x, then prove that d square y by dx square minus 1 upon y dy by dx whole square minus y by x is equals to 0. Now, to prove this type of expression, we have to differentiate y twice. So, let us consider our function first. Y is equals to x raised to power x. Now this is function raised to power function. So we have to take log both sides. Taking log both sides, you will get log of y is equals to log of x raised to power x, and that can be written as power can be taken in the front of log. Now differentiate your function with respect to x. Differentiate with respect to x. We get log y का derivative 1 upon y and y का derivative in turn is dy by dx. यहाँ पर आप product rule apply करेंगे. First function as it is derivative of second plus second function as it is derivative of first. So 1 upon y dy by dx is equals to 1 plus log x. Now y can be taken to the right hand side, y into 1 plus log x. So this can be taken as 1. Now differentiating 1, again differentiating with respect to x, we get d square y by dx square is equals to, यहाँ पर आप product rule apply करेंगे. Now first function as it is derivative of second plus second function as it is derivative of first. So this is equals to d square y by dx square is equals to y into 1 का derivative 0 and log x का derivative 1 upon x plus 1 plus log x into dy by dx. You can replace 1 plus log x by 1 upon y dy by dx. So this is y by x, and using 1 plus log x can be replaced by y into dy by dx, और एक dy by dx already लिखा हुआ है. So this can be written as dy by dx whole square, and this is equals to using 1. So this is equals to d square y by dx square minus 1 upon y dy by dx whole square minus y by x is equals to 0, and this is what you are supposed to prove.